Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Health Wise Shula. So in today's video, I am going to be organizing my linen closet, and my goal for today's video is to inspire you to also organize your linen closet to look high-end, to look luxurious, to look like, a closet you will see in a magazine. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Please do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get all my videos. So in this channel, I share videos on home decor and organization. So if this is something you really like, please stay tuned to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Again, thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope you get to join this family. Again, welcome and thank you so much for joining us. So I'm going to share with you two methods of folding your towels to look high-end, just like the kind you would see in hotels or maybe a resort area. So I have two methods today. So this is the first method. After folding, you would see like a V in front. So if you continue watching this video, you would see the second method of folding your towels. So I have like 6 storage cabinets in my linen closet. So I am going to show you how I organize those storage areas. I'm going to also share with you the before picture and the after picture of how the cabinets looks like. So using this method to fold your towels it's really easy, and also makes your towels look organized. So you just roll your towels in, or if you have that string hanging from your towel, you could use that as a support to that end right there. If not, you just tuck it in neatly. So if you are wondering why I have this pine cone, I use it to put some lavender on there. You could put any essentials oils on the pine cones and it would help your surrounding area smell really good. So this vase that I used to put my cotton balls in them, I got from the Dollar Tree, and I also got the other piece from the Dollar Tree. So as you can see, when it's flat on the surface area, it doesn't look that decorative, but if you increase the height a little bit, it looks much better. So I used a glue gun to glue those two pieces together, and look at how amazing it looks. So if you have watched my previous video, you would have seen how I decorated my countertop in my bathroom, and the makeup that I use on the daily basis, I keep them on my countertop, but the rest of my makeup go in here. So I will also be putting this in my closet. And here I have all my face masks, so I am just going to organize them neatly in this little box right here. So all my jewelries goes into this box, so I wanted to share this with you. This hardware storage case, I got this from the Dollar Tree, and this helps a lot with organizing all of my jewelries. So you know how you have excess of some items and you don't know where to place them and you end up getting more. So what I do is I place them in transparent bags like this that I get from the Dollar Tree. And also I have these rubber bands that I use. If you have watched my previous video where I fold my sporting attires, I use those. Yeah, and stuff like things you use maybe once a year or when you travel. So that is what this storage box is for. Let's say for like miscellaneous items. So I just put them in there. If you've watched this far, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Again, thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to check my playlist for more videos on home, decor, and organization. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.